Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Destination Jamaica. It's been a while and I got this game Jacks to kind of bring back some old school memories of some games that we used to play as kids. So we have, what we call them, 10 men, one ball, right? So we're going to take them up and we're going to toss them on the floor. We're going to bounce the ball and we're going to do onesies. People have different rules for this game, right? First of all, if you bounce the ball one time and you don't take up the one, then you lose your turn. Some people bounce the ball and take up as many as they can. If the ball hit the jack, then you lose your turn. Or if you touch a jack that you weren't meant to pick up, then you lose your turn. But you might notice that you have different rules, right? Because we don't always play all the games the same. And that's totally fine. So the first thing you do is bounce the ball, you take up one. And that means I would have lost my turn. So I'm going to try again. Bounce, take up, right? Some people then put the jack in their other hand while some keep it in this hand and then they bounce the ball again and try to take it up. Obviously, I'm no pro at this. I mean, I played jacks so long ago that I barely remember it. So I had to do a refresher by asking some older Jamaicans how the game played. But let's see how good we can play this now. So bounce, take up. Yeah, lose my turn again. But I think I'll stick to just reminding you on how it's played, right? So one, I think I'm gonna put it down. Two, not bad. Three. Alright, now one day gone. But you get the gist. You keep bouncing the ball and then you pick it up. And then you go for twos, threes. When you go for threes, it will be 3 sets of 3 and 1. And then fours, 2 sets of 4s. And you have the extra 2 and so forth. You go all the way up to 10. Some people have them bounce the ball and then run around it to see how them can catch up, how much them can pick up and so forth. I mean, there are variations to this game. So you play it how you remember, how you would like to, or it depends on which culture you're in. Because a lot of countries play this game, jacks. It is not just a Jamaican game, as we believe many games that we play, because it's from our childhood, it's a Jamaican game. But the more you research or the more you might talk to other cultures, you realize that they do have this game in their own country. Alright guys, so I think that's it. Just wanted to give you a little refresher on the game called Jacks. And I know we're in the age of compute and all of them stuff there, but teach the kids. Go outside and have some fun and teach them how to play the jacks or play it at home and or inside your, one of the rooms. And really embrace, well, expose them to the culture. So guys, here's something interesting. The jacks game actually have ancient origins. In text left behind by the Greek philosopher, there is mention of the game being played around the time of the Trojan War, roughly 1190 BC. And it's popular in East Asia, China, Korea, Japan. I've seen people saying that they used to do it in Indonesia, Philippines, India, and of course we do it here in the Caribbean. So yeah, it's interesting. There's actually some history on the game itself. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we brought up some memories for you and inspire you to share this game of jacks with some younger folks. Alright? Until next time, bless up. Have a phenomenal night, day, afternoon. And take care of yourself and each other. Later. Oh, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, you know the works. Especially comment, because I love reading your comments and engage with you. in the comment section or the community, and let me know what you think of the video. Of course, I'm always looking to improve. All right, guys, next time, take care.